You all in my lane, you ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy got a cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing strawberry lemonade with pineapple, or pineapple strawberry lemonade, whatever you want to call it. So the first thing you want to do is get you a pineapple, and go ahead and get you one of these pineapple tools, and take the flesh, take the flesh out of the pineapple, just leaving the core and the outer behind. And the reason we're doing this because this pineapple is going to act as our drinking vessel as well, just to kind of get jazzed up for the summertime and springtime. So we like these kind of tropical drinks. So once you remove all that pineapple flesh, go ahead and set it aside, and then take your pineapple, and when you remove that flesh, you're going to get a whole bunch of pineapple juice accumulate at the bottom. Take that and pour it in a separate container because we're going to use that as well. So then the next step, you're going to get you one whole lemon, and this is not pretty much a recipe. It's pretty much a guideline. You make it how you want to make it. But you see, I have one whole lemon, and I'm taking the juice from that whole lemon. And it's easy if you get you one of these lemon squeezers. It just gets all the juice out without leaving any of the seeds behind. All right, and then you're going to take your couple pieces of pineapple, and that is pretty much how much you want. And then I took about 3 whole strawberries. So I had 1 giant strawberry and 2 regular size strawberries. And so I pop that in there, and then this is where your pineapple juice is going to come in. Going to add that pineapple juice to the bottom, and how big your pineapple was is going to determine how much juice you get. But just add all that juice in, and then we're going in there 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup, and that is 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup. If you need help making simple syrup, I post my one of my videos down below on making simple syrup. I think it's a drink recipe. But once you get that simple syrup in there, you're going to go ahead and add your ice, and I'm using Sonic ice for this recipe because it's really good and crunchy, and it just blends up really nice. But if you have a Vitamix, any ice will work, and you can just blend it up. But if you have like one of those oyster mixers, I highly suggest you get the crunchy ice from like Sonic, or I think Kick Out actually had the ice as well, just so it'll blend up really nice. And I blended it all up together, and there you have it, man. The most amazing pineapple strawberry lemonade for the springtime. Now this drink was so incredible, I'm telling you, like everything was just fresh. Now you could take and macerate your strawberries or cook them down, but I wanted that really freshness from the strawberries to pull through. But I also added the simple syrup just to make it a tad bit sweeter, but I wanted the strawberries to shine in this as well. I feel like when you cook strawberries, sometimes they lose a little of their oomph. But there you have it, man. The most amazing pineapple strawberry lemonade from the Bistro for the springtime, just in time for the springtime. Quick video this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't be trying to keep y'all guys too long, but hope you guys enjoyed it. The best strawberry lemonade from the Bistro. I'll catch you next week. I'm out. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, now I'm out.